This case considered the issue of short tenancies, and whether or not a purchaser of a property who had no actual notice of the tenancy in the property he was purchasing was considered by the court to have constructive notice of the tenancy. In this case, a man purchased a property which was subject to an existing tenancy. The new owner believed that the tenant was the vendor. However, shortly after purchasing the property, realised that the tenant was actually a woman who had been paying her rent week by week. He sought to have the woman ejected from the property on the basis that he took the property free of any tenancy. The woman objected to this and argued that the contract of sale for the property was subject to the tenancy, which implied that the tenant was not the vendor, and that the purchaser should have made inquiries as to who the tenant was. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the purchaser had notice of this tenancy and the effect on the rights of the weekly tenant. The court ultimately